Festivals and rituals are an important part of Eze-Ana. Beyond the celebration, what deeper meaning do they carry?
Yes, festivals and rituals is when we celebrate maybe New Yam Festival, when we celebrate the spirit of our joke or if a joke, as case may be at this year. Here, Mumbai celebrate the gods of the land. Ndị ọ bụ ọrụ ha ime ka ihe akụ n'ubi wee too. Yes, but in higher spiritual explanation, we call them the herbs. The herbs. The herbs bụ elemental beings. Ndị ọrụ ha bụ ime ka osisi plants na-grow. Ekuzigo m ihe gbasara the elemental beings, the salamanders, the sets, the gnomes, the water sprite and rest of them in my previous lecture. So oge abụ oge anyị celebrate the gods of the land. I want to celebrate in Daniel, like in the Rome, the sun, the day, the sun day, the day they celebrate the spirit of sun. The moon day is the moon day. The day they celebrate the spirit of the moon. And so on and so on. Even Saturday, the day they celebrate the Saturn god. Even Thursday, the day they celebrate the thunder. And so on and so forth. They could go many years. I think 2018 was here in Agogo. So what I'm saying is that no one just celebrate the same way the Catholics just celebrate. I remember when I was in Catholic, every June 10th, I think, yes, June 10th, I just celebrated the feast of St. Antonio of Padua. Mark I did area to mobile. The Candidates known as St. Antonio of Padua Society in the Catholic Church. A two occasions celebrated 8th of September, I just celebrated the birth of Virgin Mary, according to Catholic daughter. So yet now celebrating festivals has been from the time immemorial. So we in Igbo spirituality recognize that we will get more to Jaga and we celebrate all these entities. In Makono we will celebrate the outpouring of the Holy Spirit. Okay, more to Jabaratano, where renew it to correct. So those like in the temple, go to na temple. I will two major festivals I celebrate. The first one comes on September. Down by just celebrate the children of the temple. I celebrate the Iriji. Yes, all like multiple celebration. I celebrate. Then I just celebrate more in the temple. Then I just celebrate more of Ruby, the temple on September. Then I celebrate more than December, precisely December 1st. I want a law feast for first of the temple. Yes, Mark I just celebrate that you don't get to go to that garden name. Make my Saraka. So all by just celebrate one night temple too. So going to not check away to accord to do the teacher, they celebrate the teacher. Now I think what was just celebrate Yana. They just celebrate the gnomes. Monday half Macana. Ni Mecana, the ma, and then they make a rock they grow. And so on and so forth. So many now just celebrate one behind that particular festival. Udo wecha. By the Mother why I work the Cadia was. By celebrate her. Go see Naima or do Buhanaro. I go see I carry.